Have you ever been stumped by a division problem that didn't end in a whole number? Well, rest assured, they don't all have to end in whole numbers. My name is Heather, and I really hope I can introduce you to division with remainders and the division algorithm just a little more in depth than what you knew before. So, division with remainders. First, you'd ask yourself, what is a remainder? A remainder is a part, number, or quantity that is left over. The problem to your right is a picture with 2 puppies and 7 bones. You need to know how to divide the 7 bones between both puppies evenly. But that's not an even division. So you would take 7 divided by 2, which equals 3, with 1 left over. So 3 would be your quotient, and 1 is your remainder. You ask yourself, what is a quotient? A quotient is a result obtained by dividing one quantity by another. For example, 7 divided by 2 equals 3, with a remainder of 1 would be your problem. Division algorithm. For any integer a and any positive integer b, there exist unique numbers q and r such that a equals b times q plus r. So, you have to ask yourself, what does this problem really mean? So it would be your dividend would equal your quotient times your divisor plus your remainder. A dividend is a number to be divided by another, and a divisor is the number you divide by. We've already gone over what quotient and remainder are, so we don't need to go back over those. But just remember, those are a few of the vocabulary words you might want to understand and know when it comes to division problems. When working with the division algorithm, you're also going to be working with repeated subtraction. So the next problem that we have is going to deal with repeated subtraction, a little bit more in depth. So you have 18 heart candies that you need to divide equally into your class. You've divided your class into 4 small groups. How many candies will each group receive? So while working with repeated subtraction, you would take 18, which is the number of candies you start off with, and subtract it by 4. You get 14, subtract that by 4 will equal 10, minus 4 would equal 6, minus 4 would equal 2. Well, now that 2 is a smaller number than 4, you can't subtract anymore because we're not trying to end up with negative numbers. So then you would count how many times 4 was subtracted from 18. So you have 1, 2, 3, and 4. So that gives you 4 with a remainder of 2. Each group will receive 4 pieces of candy, and there will be 2 left over. As you can write it, 4R2 means 18 divided by 4 equals 4 with a remainder of 2. I really hope that you understand a little bit more about division with remainders and how it can work in real life as well, and also why the division algorithm actually works. Because no matter what, the problem is going to stop. So whether you've gotten your remainder, or you don't have a remainder, if you go by subtraction, repeated subtraction, then eventually the problem will stop, and that's why the algorithm works. Well, I hope you got a deeper understanding of division with whole numbers. Have a good one.